Hello everyone. Today I discuss exercise 8.3 question number 9. Question number 9 is find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. That is principal is equal to 1200 at the rate of 12% per annum and principal is equal to rupees 7500 at rupees 5% per annum. Right? Now here you see here number 1 is here it is given that here it is given that principal P principal P is given as rupees 1200 rupees 1200, right? And rate R is given as rate that is rate R is given as 12% per annum. R is given as 12% per annum, that is 12% per annum and time T is equal to 3 years is equal to 3 years, right? You have to find the value of interest, simple interest. We know that simple interest is equal to simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. Simple interest is equal to PRT, P into R into T by 100. If we put the value here, we are getting principal is 1200. Rate is 12% per annum, that is 12, and T is 3 years, 3, that is by 100, right? If we cut this 0 and this 0 will be cut, right? Now if we multiply 12 into 3, what you are getting, you see here, right? It is 12 into 12 or 12 into 12 into 3 is 36. Multiply 36 with 12, that is 2 6 is 12, 2 6 is 12, carry 1, it is 2, 3 is 6 plus 1 7, and 6 1 is 6, 3 1 is 3, that you are getting 2. 7 plus 6 is 13, carry 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, 432, that is equal to rupees, 432. That is simple interest is 432 rupees, right? And you know that amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Therefore, amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Right? Here principal is rupees 1200, 1200 plus simple interest is rupees plus this is rupees 1200 plus rupees 432 plus rupees 432. If we add the numbers, that is 1200 plus 432, 32. 2 plus 0 is 2, this is 3, 4 plus 2 is 6, 1632. Therefore, the new amount will be rupees is equal to rupees 1632, 1632, right? Now B part is, if we delete this one. Now B part is, where you see principal is equal to rupees, principal is equal to rupees 7,500. Principal is equal to rupees 7,500. Rate, principal P, that is rate R is equal to 5% per annum. 5% per annum. And time T is equal to 3 years. Therefore, simple interest is equal to simple interest is equal to simple interest is equal to PRT by 100 is equal to P into R into T by 100. That is equal to P is 75007 500, R is 5%, 5, and T is 3 years, 3 by 100. This 0 will cut this 0, and this 0 will cut with this 0. That is, we have to multiply 75 with 15. 3 5 is 15. So multiply 75 with 15. That is 525. 2, it is 5. 5 7 35 plus 2 37. 3, it is 7. And 5 1 is 5. 7 1 is 7. When you add the numbers, it is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry 1. 12, carry 1. 7 plus 8, 19, 11. 1125. Therefore, simple interest is rupees 1125. That is rupees 1125. Now we know that amount is equal to amount. We know that amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest plus simple interest. What is the principal? Principal is rupees 7500 plus, and simple interest is rupees 1125. If we add both the numbers, we are getting 7500 plus 1125. If we add the numbers, we are getting, it is 5, it is 2, 5 plus 1 is 6, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8625. That comes to rupees 8625. That is the amount, right? What is the question? What is the amount, right? The amount is here is rupees 8625. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.